Hi everyone, Nisi Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises. Today we will be using the straight stitch foot to complete a straight stitch with our Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. Before you start sewing with the straight stitch foot, you want to make sure that your width of the machine is at 0. So we'll turn this to 0. And then you want to make sure that the length of your machine is between 3 and 4 because that's normal. Usually about 3 is what I use, or 3.5, because 4 is usually more like a basting stitch. And then your foot should be on the 1A foot. So we're using the straight foot, which is the number 1. Now let's talk about how to attach the foot, and let me give you a few tips. The only position that your needle can be in is the center position, because you see that there is a small hole in the center of this this foot. Okay, if you look on the back, that's what the back looks like. It has a little indentation to kind of help the fabrics go along smoother. So let's go ahead and snap it on. So we'll take our foot here and we'll place it close to this little indentation part, and we will take the lever and lever back here. So we'll take it and move it down and connect and snap in the foot. Don't let it drop like that. We put our thread through, I call it the toes of the foot. So we put it through the foot and we make sure that it goes to the back. Now, let's get started. So we have our fabric here. I'm going to fold my fabric in half and cut my machine on. I'm going to start close to the end, put my lever down, and I want to use my foot pedal, and I'm going to go slowly down the fabric. And at the end, I take it out, pull the needle up here, and there's a thread cutter on the side, so I use that to cut my thread to detach. We got our straight stitch with our straight stitch foot. Try to say that 3 times fast. And that is how you use the straight stitch foot that comes with the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our page and send us video ideas. Thank you for watching.